Nope.
Subscribe! Like! Click!
Today, I'm going to make Hangyodon toilet paper squishies. My friends are going to make them with me too. Let's go! Take out 2 tissues. Spread out 2 sheets flat and get them ready. Prepare cotton balls. I will draw the shape with dotted lines. First, secure the long vertical section with tape. Now it's time to round off both ends. Just make a round shape by gathering the creases in the tissue paper. The cotton balls may keep popping out, so you need to hold them in place with your hands. Shape the other side in the same way. Please carefully attach the tape so that it does not come loose. Let's check if the cushioning is okay. Oh, the cushioning is foam, so it's a pass. Please carefully attach the tape so that it does not come loose. First, I will draw the eyes with black macaroons. When drawing without sketch lines, draw short lines. I'll draw thick lips with a pale pink color marker. Draw the lip line too. Pouty lips are cute, aren't they? Apply light blue color as the base color. Hurry up! When coloring, please do not press down, but just lightly touch the surface. If the tissue paper gets wet, it may tear. It is important to control the amount of pressure applied. Just paint the bottom and sides carefully with the base color. Ta-da! Hangyodon is ironic, so you have to make fins for him. First, paint the fins blue. Just draw 3 lines on both sides and above the head. What do you think of the Hangyodon characters, which sometimes look strange but are also cute and funny? I want to know which characters your friends like too. Please leave a comment. Let's complete the character by drawing black macaron lines. When it is challenging to draw in one stroke, please draw short lines to connect them, as I have done. Put your feet together. What a cute pose! I'll finish off the fin shape that I colored in. Oh! I finished my own Hangyodon picture. I love it! I'll wrap up the Hangyodon. Spread the wrap evenly over the face to prevent wrinkles and secure it with Scotch tape. It's easy to make with ingredients you have at home, so please give it a try, friends. If you succeed, please leave a comment. Wow, super duper cute! Wow, it's so firm. I love it. I'll try making it square too.
No. Oh no!
How about this chic Hangyodon squishy that you'll want to keep pressing and touching to make it ugly? If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like it. Stay tuned to see what we'll make next.
Subscribe! Like! Quick click!
Owen, when you get home, wash up first. Owen, hurry up.
It's Owen's shower time. I'm going to help him get in the shower a little bit. Water temperature just right. Shall we take a bubble bath? Bubbles are always fun. Slay! This is Owen's water friend, Duck. Ta-da! I'm gonna clean every nook and cranny today. Clean face. Clean body. My body is clean. Now let me lather you up one more time with body shampoo. Oops, sorry. Wow, that's a lot of bubbles. Too many bubbles, and Owen Mom might yell at me. I'll wash the bubbles off with water now. Wow, it's perfect. End of bath. Owen didn't wipe his hands dry. I'll help him get them dry. So cute. Now I'm going to dry Owen's hair. Make sure it's dry so he doesn't catch a cold. Ta-da! I prepared a cream to moisturize Owen's skin. Oh, look! Owen looks so clean and feels so good, doesn't he? Showering is a fun and enjoyable time.